Hi, I'm Natalie.
And I'm John.
And we are here for our next unboxing video.
So let's open it up and take a look.
Let's see what we got going.
Okay. And first we have The Sunflower Sisters
by Martha Hall Kelly. John, what are you taking away from The Sunflower Sisters?
Well, it's by the same author of Lilac Girls, so I definitely have to say it is going to be about, well, if not flower arranging, then definitely flower growing, flower buying. Sunflower Sisters, I would imagine that these are sisters who run a floral shop and therefore, grow sunflowers.
Okay, that's a fair assumption. There is a lot of flower themes going on, but actually, this is a historical fiction novel, but it's based on real people. And actually, we are so excited to have Martha Hall Kelly come join us for a little Zoom talk about this new book, Sunflower Sisters. This is our large print edition, but it's also available in regular print as well.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so you'll want to join us on June 1st to meet Martha Hall Kelly.
That's going to be cool.
Yeah, pretty excited about that. All right, what else we got?
All right. Right here we have Painting Time by Melis de Carangal. And let's see, obviously this is going to be an art instruction book.
Yes, and what's giving that away, John?
Well, despite the attractive cover, it definitely looks like something that would instruct you on the best time to paint. You want to get that early morning light to get the colors just right, make light and shadow work for you.
Okay, I see. I think this is more of a fiction, but perhaps, there could be some tips in there. It actually looks like this is a book about some artists who go and learn how to paint the art of illusion. So it should be very interesting. So if you're interested in anything art history related, this probably is definitely the book for you. Maybe also some painting tips. So John, you may want to check this out.
Definitely.
Yeah.
All right, and let's see what we got next.
All right.
Oh, got two at once. All right, let's try the one.
Oh.
Around the World in 80 Plants by Jonathan Drury.
Well, that looks like a beautiful cover. There's lots of animals and fruits and vegetables. So what do you think, John?
Obviously, it's a sequel to Around the World in 80 Days by Chris Byrne. People are always writing new books by Sherlock Holmes and stuff like that, so obviously this is what this author has done. But, hot air balloons have been played out. What are people into? Gardening. Definitely.
Oh, you know what? I don't blame you. So I don't know that it's a sequel to anything, but definitely we are getting fruits, vegetables, plants from around the world. Looks like there's some really beautiful illustrations inside. Yeah. So it looks like this is just giving us little 80 stories about different plants and how they get brought to life and their cultural meaning in our world. So I actually think I'm going to check this out.
Yeah, it looks like we can learn a lot.
And I just love this cover. It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
There's like hidden monkey in the back. So I love that. All right, what do we got next?
The Last Thing to Burn by Will Dean.
What are we cooking?
Well, let's see. If I had to guess, this is about trash day.
Interesting. Okay, tell me more. Tell me more.
Well, let's see. Obviously, you want to get your recyclables out of the way. Then your non-perishables, your paper products. Last thing to burn, the leaves. Now, it's not the best for the environment, but we all know that some people still go about it these days. So I think this is about what the best way to do is to reduce waste.
To reduce waste. Okay, I love that. Again, a bit of a novel, so maybe some tips in here.
I always miss that little part.
Yeah, just minor details, minor details. Oh, it actually looks like it's about a woman who gets kidnapped.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so it looks like then she becomes pregnant while she's kidnapped. So probably for fans of The Room by Emma Donoghue, if you read that, I think similar vibes going on here.
Sounds very suspenseful.
Definitely is suspenseful. So you'll definitely want to check this out if that's of interest. All right.
Looks like we got one left in here.
Oh, one more.
Let's see. A Man Named Doll by Jonathan Ames.
Okay, all right. Interesting. What are we thinking?
What is it actually about? Because I have a track record of not getting these correct.
Well, it looks like this is about a former LAPD detective and former in the Navy. He's a PI now, And it looks like he just makes some extra money on the side, working at a spa. So looks like things get out of hand one night.
Oh, wow.
And trouble ensues from there. So.
Well, I love a good detective story.
Yes, this is definitely good if you love a good detective story, a PI story, maybe a flawed character. Who knows? We'll see. All right. Well, is that it, John?
Yep, that's all for today.
Well, thanks so much for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our library soon.
All right, see ya.
Bye.
Have a good day.